Hello everyone! In this video, we'll present you the Request Desk module, a powerful tool that centralizes request management for HR teams. It streamlines employee submissions, ensures they are routed to the right stakeholders, and guarantees timely resolutions. Designed to handle a wide range of requests, from simple to complex, it's also versatile enough for use in departments like IT or payroll. These are the key goals of the Request Desk: tracking and resolving requests efficiently, centralizing all requests in one place, analyzing and reporting on requests to improve processes. Now, let's see what are the core features and capabilities of OrangeHRM's Request Desk.
Centralized request management. A single platform to view all requests categorized and displayed with details like assignees, status and progress. Enables HR teams to track workloads and gain insights into the frequency and nature of requests. Workflow automation. The system automates key processes like hiring requisitions, resignation requests, and transfer approvals, streamlining these workflows. By reducing manual tasks, it ensures a smooth and efficient transition from request submission to final approval. Multi-department utility. The system extends beyond HR functions and can manage a variety of requests, such as IT support issues and financial approvals. With configurable workflows, it ensures that each request is directed to the appropriate team or individual for prompt resolution.
Communication tools. Allows requesters and approvers to communicate easily through comments and attachments. Enables gathering additional information from requesters when needed.
Reporting and analytics. The system offers real-time insights into key metrics such as request resolution times and types of requests. It also generates visual reports, enabling teams to identify trends and improve workflows for greater efficiency. Mobile accessibility. The Request Desk is accessible through the OrangeHRM mobile app, allowing users to conveniently submit and manage requests anytime, anywhere.
These are the benefits our clients get using the Request Desk module. Efficiency and accuracy. Eliminates manual processes, ensuring requests are handled promptly and accurately. Customizable forms and workflows reduce back and forth communication by collecting precise information upfront. Transparency. Audit trails and status tracking keep all stakeholders informed. Employees can check request status, update submissions, or communicate with approvers. Improved decision-making. Analytics and reports provide insights into request trends, helping organizations identify bottlenecks and streamline operations. Flexibility. Works for any department or request type, from HR-specific tasks to IT and finance workflows. Accessibility. Mobile integration ensures requests can be managed from anywhere, improving responsiveness from users.
These are the user roles and permissions associated with each request. Employee submits requests through a user-friendly interface, can edit, update, withdraw requests, or upload attachments as needed. Communicates directly with approvers via a built-in conversation box. Approver. Review and process requests based on the provided information. Can request additional details, approve, reject, or delegate tasks. Accesses request history and audit trails for better decision-making. Administrator. Oversees all requests with permission to edit or update as needed. Configures workflows, forms, and permissions for the organization.
Here are a few example scenarios to illustrate how different types of requests are processed. Simple workflow. A straightforward document request with one approver, processed efficiently without requiring additional approvals. Complex workflow. Grievance or incident reporting involves multiple stakeholders and detailed fields to ensure all aspects of the request are addressed. IT workflow. Multi-level approval for technical issues, ensuring proper triage and resolution. Now, let's see some request types and a demo of the system. Samantha submits a request for an employment confirmation letter. The request is routed to David, the approver, who processes it and uploads the document. If changes are needed, Samantha can edit the request or provide additional information. An incident report is submitted to document workplace concerns or incidents. This workflow involves specific custom fields to ensure all necessary details are logged before routing the report to the appropriate personnel. Samantha's laptop crashes before a presentation. She submits an urgent request, which first goes to David for triage and then to Miguel for technical assistance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact goldsupport@orangehrm.com.